Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming domain control and DNS access, because issuance depends on valid validation. Once done, pick a certificate authority and create any required account or API key. Free options like Let's Encrypt work well for automation. Next, choose your issuance method. Use an Acme client such as Certbot for automatic renewal, generate a CSR with OpenSSL for manual signing, or request a provider-managed certificate in your hosting panel. These steps get you from zero to the first validation attempt. Now execute the core work. Create a CSR with accurate common name and SIN entries, using a 2048-bit RSA or EXA key for security. Then decide how to validate. HTTP 01 for webroot access, DNS 01 for wildcard or limited web access, or TLS Alpin 01 for server-level validation. Once chosen, run your Acme client or submit the CSR to the CA. Place the validation token where required and watch the CA response. Make sure to refresh DNS or flush caches if validations. Finish by installing the issued certificate and full chain into your web server or load balancer. Update the virtual host configuration, and restart services. Test with an SSL client. Once working, enable automated renewal via cron or systemd for your Acme client and add post-renew hooks to reload services. If something breaks, first verify DNS records and system time, confirm ports 80/443 are reachable, and read the CA error details. These checks quickly reveal common validation or installation failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.